Dear students, welcome to all. Here we are seeing the same lesson, the hour of truth. Isn't it? Here let me see what Baldwin was saying about Gresham. Okay. Here he was asking, who is asking? Gresham was asking to say the three words. Isn't it? At that time, what Baldwin was saying. He was answering. Here Baldwin was saying to the things to their family. Isn't it? His family. Those three words would choke me if I tried to speak them. But for some other man, perhaps it would be easy. But for me, all of my past would rise up and strike me in the face. It would mean to the world that for years I had been living a lie, that I was not the honorable man I thought I was. When John Gresham offered me money, I was angry. But when I rejected him and he showed no surprise, then I was pleased. It was a compliment, don't you think so? Those three words would choke me. Which is the three words? Do you remember? Three words. That is, I don't remember. Okay, which is the three word? I don't remember. Here, those three words would choke me if I tried to speak them. Here, if I am going to say the three words, I don't remember, it will make me to here, that is the thing, choke, not able to breathe. Okay, here, choke, meaning here, not able to breathe. Okay, here those three words would choke me if I tried to speak them. In the court, if I am going to say those three words, it make me to choke. That was here meaning not able to breathe. For some other man, perhaps it would be easy. If any other person was saying, I don't remember, it will be easy for them. But it's my best friend. Isn't it? Here, Baldwin's best friend is Gresham. I have to say at least those three words, I don't remember. But I know I am an honorable person. I am a sincere person. So, I have a choke to say those three words. Can you understand? Okay. Here, but for me, all of my past would rise up and strike me in the face. If I say those three words, my past would rise up. എൻ്റെ പഴയ കാലങ്ങളിൽ ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ജീവിച്ചിരുന്നത്, ഞാൻ എത്രത്തോളം ആളുകളുടെ ഇടയിൽ, ജനങ്ങളുടെ ഇടയിൽ നല്ലൊരു പേര് കിട്ടി, ഇതൊക്കെ എനിക്കൊരു മുഖത്തൊരു അടി കിട്ടിയ പോലെ ആയിരിക്കും ഈ മൂന്ന് വാക്ക് എനിക്ക് പറയുമ്പോൾ. Here all of my past would rise up and strike me in the face. Strike me in the face. It would mean to the world that for years I had been living a lie. If I say any other thing, here it would mean to the world. ലോകത്തിന് അത് എങ്ങനെയാ തോന്നുക? ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും കാലം നുണ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ജീവിച്ചിരുന്നത് എന്നാവും എല്ലാവരും പറയാം. If I say lie about Gresham, what will happen? The public, the people, they will thought that I am a person who was saying lie. Isn't it? So here, it would mean to the world that for years I had been living a lie. That I was not the honorable man I thought I was. That means I am not an honorable man. When John Gresham offered me money, I was angry. Okay, I was angry. But when I rejected it, here, when John Gresham offered me money, I was angry at first. Here, but when I rejected it, ഞാൻ റിജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ, he showed no surprise. He didn't show any surprise. Then I was pleased. So, what happened? After that, I get that money as a compliment. Okay, here, as he showed no surprise, then I was pleased. When he showed no surprise, then I was pleased. It was a compliment. It was a gift. A compliment here meaning gift. Don't you think so? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ ഇതൊരു ഗിഫ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് എന്നുള്ളത്? John, a compliment which cost you $100,000? Which is the compliment? Which is the gift? $100,000? Is it the gift? Martha, will the depositor lose much, Robert? They have doubt whether Gresham was robbing the money from that depositors. That's why Martha is asking here, will the depositors lose much? $100,000 അതിൽ നിന്നാണോ എടുത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്? അപ്പോൾ ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റേഴ്സ് അത്രയും എന്താണ് കുറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവോ എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. Will the depositors lose much, Robert? The depositors will not lose a cent. Depositors ഒരു സെന്റ് പോലും നഷ്ടപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടില്ല. Amy, but the papers said. But the papers are saying that here the depositors are lost a lot of money. Here, but the papers said, what Amy is saying, but the newspapers are saying that the depositors have lost a much. Baldwin, they had to print something, they guessed. I know, I tell you. They had to print something. ന്യൂസ്പേപ്പറുകാർക്ക് എന്ത് വേണമെങ്കിലും പ്രിൻ്റ് ചെയ്യാലോ. I know, I tell you. Martha, but you never said so before. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം അതൊന്നും അല്ലല്ലോ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത്. Baldwin, I left that for Gresham. I will come out tomorrow. Sorry, it will come out tomorrow. I left that for Gresham. ഞാൻ ആ കാര്യം ആരിലേക്ക് വിട്ടുകൊടുത്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്? ഗ്രഷാമിലേക്ക്. I left that for Gresham. ഞാൻ ഗ്രഷാമിലേക്ക് ആ കാര്യം വിട്ടുകൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. It will come out tomorrow. അത് നാളെ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും പേപ്പറിൽ. John, why tomorrow? Why didn't you say so before? The papers asked you often enough. Here, why tomorrow? എന്തിനാ നാളേക്ക് മാറ്റിവെച്ചത്? Why didn't you say so before? അതിന് മുന്നേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? പേപ്പേഴ്സ്, ന്യൂസ് പേപ്പറിലത്തെ ആളുകൾ, വ്യക്തികൾ നിങ്ങളോട് പല പ്രാവശ്യം ചോദിച്ചതല്ലേ ഈ കാര്യത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട്, എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ ആര് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്? മകൻ ജോൺ. Why tomorrow? Why didn't you say so before? The papers asked you often enough. എപ്പോഴും പേപ്പേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങളോട് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്ന കാര്യമല്ലേ? Then why didn't you say that? Baldwin, nothing forced me to answer John. No, nobody else forced me to say that. ഒരാളും എന്നെ ഫോഴ്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല അത് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. Okay. Nothing forced me to answer John. John, they are going to punish Gresham, aren't they? അവരൊക്കെ എന്താണ്? ഗ്രഷാമിനെ പണിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുകയാണ് അല്ലയോ? They are going to punish Gresham, aren't they? Baldwin, I am afraid so. I think so. ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത്. They will, here, Gresham was going to get punishment. John, what for? എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്? Why they are punishing Gresham? Baldwin, misappropriating the funds of the bank. Here, why they are going to punish Gresham? Because he had misappropriate the fund of the bank. ബാങ്കിലത്തെ ഫണ്ട് എടുത്തിട്ട് എന്താണ്? മിസ്അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. പല രീതിയിലും ആ പൈസ എടുത്ത് എന്താണ്? മാറ്റിക്കളിച്ചു അല്ലേ? ആ പൈസ എടുത്ത് ബാങ്കിൽ നിന്ന് ആ ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഫണ്ട് എടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് എന്താണ്? പല കാര്യത്തിലും നീക്കി. Misappropriating the fund of the bank. John, oh, I know that. But what crime has he committed? That I know. But what crime has he committed? എന്ത് കുറ്റമാണ് അവൻ ചെയ്തത്? What crime has he committed? Baldwin, that's a crime, John. അതൊരു കുറ്റമാണ്. But if nobody loses anything by it, it's a crime nevertheless. Here, if the depositors never lost anything, is it a crime then? Here, who is asking that? Avi is asking. But if anybody loses anything of it, ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തുകൊണ്ടോ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റേഴ്സ് എന്തെങ്കിലും നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടോ അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. Baldwin, it's a crime. അതൊരു കുറ്റം തന്നെയല്ലേ? Here, John, and they are going to punish him for it. Here, for that case, they are going to punish Gresham, isn't it? Here, John is asking to Baldwin. Here, Baldwin, they can't let him go, John. He is too conspicuous. John, do you think that's right, Governor? My opinion doesn't matter, John. Here, John is asking to Baldwin, is it the right thing? He didn't do anything. He didn't do any crime. Then why they are going to punish him? Here, do you think that's right, Governor? Do you think that's right? Here, you know that governor here meaning father. Do you think that's right, father? Baldwin, my opinion doesn't matter, John. Here, whatever I am going to say, it's not a thing. I am going to say only those 3 words. Okay. So, my opinion doesn't matter, John. So, here I am concluding the lesson. Let me see the next portion in the next class. Thank you.